Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be looking at the cross-processing effect. Now this is an effect that's achieved by the deliberate processing of photographic film in the wrong solution. So one method is to take a slide film and to process it as a C41 film. You'll find that there's lots of images on the web you can get examples from. There's often a greeny blue cast to it. So we're going to try and recreate that effect in Photoshop now. So here we have a Chicago street. So we're going to have a go at this. So we're going to select a curves adjustment layer. Now the trick is to look at the different channels. We've got red, green and blue channel, and to affect them separately. So let's look at red first. We're going to add 3 points, and we're going to be looking at increasing the contrast of that particular color. So really upping the reds here, so adding an S-shaped curve. Then the same with the greens, and really boosting those colors. And finally with blues, but with blues it often works really well if you go the other direction. So let's try that. There we go. So you need to play around with it until you get the desired effect, because you're looking to really kind of, to recreate that effect, you're going to want to try and get the kind of greeny, bluey, sort of purpley hues in there. So that's one method of creating that kind of visual technique. If we untick the visibility here and return to our original picture, there is another method, and it's called the split toning method. So if we click on our image here, go to Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Once Camera Raw opens, we can go to the split toning tab here. Up the saturation a little first so you can see what's taking place. And then adjust the hue in the highlights and adjust the hue in the shadows. So you can play around until you get a nice strong effect. So you might want to up the saturation a little to get your desired effect here, and kind of keep playing until you get the that cross-processed feel. So nice and simple, nice and straightforward. Have fun with it, play around, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.